So my husband is getting ready to install my Motohorn on my Can-Am Spyder F3T. I wanted a louder horn on my bike. And so I saw a couple of weeks ago the Motohorn that was on Facebook and decided to order it. They were running a sale on it, so decided to take a chance on it. Very difficult, interesting horn to install on a bike because there's no directions or anything to tell you how to install it. But these are some of the items that he had to get outside of ordering the horn because none of this stuff comes with it. So, can you say real quick what all you needed to get?
Everything electrical. Came with nothing but instructions.
It did have instructions?
Yeah, it tells you how to wire it, or a recommended wiring approach.
Okay.
So
that's what he's getting ready to work on. All the stuff.
Yep, so inline fuse, 20 amp fuse.
So,
Go off the battery. And now I need power wire to run to the horn.
Okay.
Actually, to run to the relay. So it's relayed off of directly from the battery, and the actual horn that comes with the bike, that circuit is what activates the relay.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta hook it to that. They recommend 12 gauge wire, which I didn't have. So I had to go get.
Said to go get.
So I bought enough parts that cost about as much as the horn did.
So even though the horn was on sale, by the time you buy all the stuff that you need, you could have bought two horns. Okay. Which I think it was, what, $79? $75? Yeah. Okay. So anyway, no, I am not doing this myself. I know that there are a lot of women, sister warriors out there that work on their own bikes, but that ain't your girl. I have hired help. I have hired help, and I take advantage of him often. So, no, I'm not doing this myself. It's electrical. I care not to do that. Just like he's not going to bake any cakes.
Nope.
Or any pastries. Or he's not going to work on this wedding cake that I got to do in next month. He's not going to do that. And I'm not going to do this. We each know our giftings. The Lord has blessed us mightily in different areas, and this is not mine. Nor do I care for it to be mine. So, that's that. That is my disclaimer. I've been blessed and highly favored, and I'm taking advantage of all this wisdom in this hired help called husband.
Call sucker. Joker.
Whatever. It's called love.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So anyway, I'm going back in the house with the grandbaby, and I'm going to let him finish this up. And we'll see how everything looks later.